Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to our tiny A-frame here in the woods. As you can see, we got a massive snowstorm actually for 2 days straight here in Minnesota this week. It's honestly pretty incredible. If you look, like this roof is really steep and the snow has totally just like stuck to it. I mean, look, how incredible is that? Today's gonna be extra fun because Rylie is joining me and she's gonna spend the night down here as well. And we're going to make some good food and just sort of enjoy the winter wonderland as we ring in the Christmas season. So we got a lot in store on this one. It's gonna be great. Well, we got the diesel heater hooked up to the A-frame this time because got a little bit of work that I need to do on our wood stove. So I figured I'd start to get the cabin warmed up a little bit while I do that. So someone pointed out to me that having my stovepipe this close to galvanized metal isn't the best idea in the world. It's okay to have it, you know, at a distance like this, but having the pipe this close when it's that hot is not the smartest thing. All right, now I'll be the first to say that this does not look amazing, but as my dad always says, this is what you do when you do what you got to do. We'll do a proper fix in the summertime, but this is going to get us through the winter, and now we can start a fire. So I've gotten some questions on some of my other videos about the houses that you can see back here. A lot of you guys are wondering, like, if you're in the middle of the woods, why can you see houses and stuff? Well, Rylie and I have a couple of different places that we go on adventures. We've got our travel cabin, which is on wheels, that we take all over the place. We also have our family cabin up in the north woods of Minnesota that's been there since 1936. That one's extremely rustic. It's in the middle of nowhere. The A-frame down here, I actually built this to be close to home. So our house is only 5 minutes away. We're on 8 acres in the Twin Cities area of Minnesota. I knew I would need a place close to home to, I don't know, just come out and enjoy nature and live simply and do all the things that are really important to me. So when I had the opportunity to build it down here, I took it.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Doesn't it? It's nothing better than a fire.
Do we have hot cocoa?
We do have hot cocoa. Do you want some?
Yes.
All right, cool. We'll get it going.
Are you gonna go out and start looking for sticks to make your wreath?
I am. 'Tis the season. I thought, you know what, why not actually just make one? Because, you know, we made our own cabin. Why not make our own wreath for the cabin? We are in the pines now. I love it in here. I want to select ones that aren't going to leave just like a huge hole on the tree.
While Jack is out gathering branches for his wreath, I am gonna start making the hot cocoa. I haven't had hot cocoa in, I think, years. It's been a long time. And hot cocoa always reminds me of childhood.
All right, guys, that's a good chunk of pine stalks. We're gonna take them back to the cabin and we'll start making our wreath. All right, so this is how we're gonna make this wreath. I've got a piece of wire here. I'm going to string it together like this to create our circle. And I'm gonna take our pine and I'm gonna use zip ties to zip tie them around the wire. there you have it. Homemade cabin wreath. I gotta say, it turned out better than I thought it would. It looks really, really pretty. Not only does it smell nice like pines in here, my favorite tree, but it's extra Christmassy as well.
And now I get to do this.
You're Rudolph.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Why do we love burritos so much?
I don't know, it's just like comfort food.
Yeah.
It's spicy, it's filling, it's fresh when you do it like this.
They're nostalgic. This is really comfy.
Mm-hmm.
It's so warm in here.
Feels great.
Oh my gosh. Why don't you just turn around, Ellie? Why? You're smothered by 3 ladies right now. You're a lucky guy.
I'm a lucky guy. Whew. It's pretty cold out here. I want to say it's probably 8-9 degrees. How I'm in a t-shirt, I don't know. Look how pretty it is. I just love when the sun hits the snow. It just sparkles. It looks amazing. As you can see, we got our fire going again. And so I'm gonna turn off the diesel heater. Some of you may be like, what the heck, Jack? You got the wood stove. Why would you run the diesel heater? I'm telling you, being able to sleep through the night like I just did and wake up and have it be warm already, it's pretty nice.
Good morning. It's very warm and toasty.
Yeah, it's great.
I could sleep easily another like 2 hours if Jack woke me up.
Because we've got a fun thing planned for this morning. With our second cups of coffee.
Yes.
We need our first ones in the cabin. But with our second cups of coffee, we're going to go out and I'm going to make a little fire out there in the fire ring. And it'll be a good way to kind of end our Christmas cabin sesh.
Jack even took a video of me snoring, which is so sweet of him. But he's not going to show that, you guys. He's not showing.
Well, I don't know.
No,
Might
you're
have
not
to.
going to show that.
So we have a little A-frame cabin tradition. I've got prompt cards that are pretty cool. So here's what the cards look like. You can see like there's a little story and then there's blanks. So they're kind of cool. It's a nice way to reflect.
And here's the thing, you guys, you can make it funny. You can do whatever the heck you want. I wish you could see what it's like to be pregnant. I want you to know what it feels like.
Well, mine says, it's always a good time to make space in my life for more fun and excitement. Amen to that. I know there are things I have to take care of. We have a baby on the way. And I want to prioritize our marriage and our happiness together.
And also, a fun fact, on our first date was in Joshua Tree. Jack brought self-prompt cards, not these exact ones, but he brought cards as icebreakers, which I thought was such a good idea.
Come on, Ellie. It's time to get a fire going. I think first thing I'm gonna have to do is kind of dig out the fire pit a little bit.
Ellie, where's my kisses? Where's mine? Yeah, we know who she loves. Fine. Look here.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. You're so curious, huh? What are those?
Oh, they're coming into our turf, huh, Al? All right, guys, that is gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Man, this season especially really just makes me feel so much gratitude for what we have and what we've been blessed with. And we're so grateful for your support, for watching the videos, subscribing to the channel, commenting. It's such an amazing thing to be able to share what we love with so many people. So
We really hope you have a great holiday and take some time if you can to get outside and enjoy nature.
we'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye.